Oh, this thing's cool. It's a Venice camera commemoration, which is an event to enter the battle for Transport Refurbishing. Oh. That's the set there. That's a warning. This shot is huge. Hornsby Mall is a smoke-free zone. Cold and slippery when wet. Smoking is prohibited within Hornsby Mall. There's like rubbish in there. People just don't care. Leave the two. Unbelievable. I don't know why they do that. Look at this, it's like fog. I'm getting wet and since things the phone. Look, there's a bird on there. What are you doing there? Drinking the water. It's like a crow. I think that's like a TV. Oh, these things move. Those things move. Wow, that's cool. I think that's the harp. There's like this is it too. Oh yeah, there's the thing where there's like left and right, like so like do, yeah. Hey look, there's also a bat. And like in two other, or maybe the pelicans, I'm not sure. This still is pretty cool. Wow, I like the waterfall, it looks peaceful.